In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a hosting your business email to Gmail. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To add a hosting your email to Gmail, at the beginning you need to open a Gmail account and click on this gear icon. Now click on See All Settings and then Account and Import. Now click on Add another email address. Then this page will open. Now type in hosting your email account and click on Next Step. Now you need three options: SMTP server, username and port. To get all of this information, you need to log into hosting your H panel, click on Emails and then find your email account and click on Manage. Now click on Connect App and Device. Now you need to copy SMTP host name. Let's copy it and remember the port 465. Now go to Gmail and paste your SMTP server and type the email address and set the right port. Now add your password and click on Add Account. Then Gmail will send you a verification code into your mail. Then you have to open your hosting your email, find the confirmation mail and copy this verification link and paste it on your browser. Then click on Confirm. Then you will see this kinds of message, confirmation success. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily add hosting a business email to Gmail.